I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning off the breaker and verifying power is off with a voltage tester. This prevents shocks and saves time. Once done, remove the old fixture or cover and inspect wiring. Make sure the sensor voltage matches the light and bulb type so it will function correctly. Keep your ladder stable and have the screwdriver and wire connectors within reach. These first actions get you into position quickly and avoid backtracking later when you begin connections. Now you mount the sensor bracket to the junction box or fixture plate and route the wires neatly. A tidy layout reduces strain on connections. You connect neutral to neutral, live to sensor input, and sensor output to the load, twisting and capping each join securely so it won't loosen. Once connected, restore power briefly to test continuity and basic function, then switch power off again to tighten screws and set the sensor angle. This ensures reliable detection. Finish by configuring the sensor's sensitivity, time delay, and daylight cutoff so the light behaves as you expect. This tuning prevents false triggers and saves energy. You walk through the detection zone at normal pace and from different angles to verify full coverage, making small adjustments to aim and settings as needed. If it doesn't work, turn power off and recheck each wire connection and the bulb. Many issues stem from loose wires or an incompatible bulb and are quickly fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.